kaming celebrate yung birthday niya for lunch. Part 1 muna. Part 1 kainan. Ayan. Happy birthday. Lakaida Charot. Yung menu nila, more on burgers and brews. Ayan.
Huh?
More on burgers and
It's got barbecue sauce on it.
and brews.
But don't
I think
we're
it's
allowed to-
they still have
Okay.
French fries. Hey, do you know how to read? This one, the one I order, guys. Ayan. Salad yung side niya. Tapos, teriyaki chicken. At saka, 1,000 island dresser. Ayan. Ito po yung akin. Tapos, kay Brian is, hindi ko alam. This one, what?
Fresh, look.
Huh? Tavern burger.
Tabon
Look,
burger
that is
and
so
sweet
Tomato
fries.
Yes.
And then, CJ is steak fries and
The burning low burger.
the burning love burger. Burning love burger.
Don't eat like this in home.
Ayan.
You're gonna burn your love.
Magbukbang tayo, guys. Ayan.
Yan, let's eat. Thank you so much, Lord, for this blessing. And thank you, Lord. Thank you, Daddy.
Kung sino ang may birthday, he is the one who are treating. Kainan na.
The one that is sweet.
Yan. Ito yung akin, teriyaki chicken.
Sweet?
Ah.
Yeah. Sweet potato.
Yummy.
Covered in it.
And if you want a different kind of french fry, you can order different.
And then order second that one. They have unlimited side fries, bottom side.
Unlimited french fries.
Masasawa tayo ngayon sa pagkain. Sa 1 hour mukbang to. 1 hour mukbang to. 1 hour mukbang daw ito. 1 hour mukbang, guys. Kaya nyo bang manood ng 1 hour mukbang, guys?
Like I said, once we get done eating, we can order some
I think this one, Daddy, I can change it to steak. But they did not make good, but they didn't make good, 1,000 peso, guys. I'm more good in doing it. Look. So yummy, guys. Yes. Walang mamubay. It's chicken.
she actually read the ingredients.
Yep. I know we can get this one Daddy, so I bought it already. The chicken is not crunchy. May pineapple siya guys.
Doesn't want to stay in the sandwich.
Because of the pineapple juice, it become juicy. But it's yummy guys. How many you pay here, Daddy? How many you pay? Why you will pay? No. Dala ko money.
It's like $10 per person.
Like $30 already. $30. So weird. So weird guys.
Cheese.
Why they give us this?
Take me with a fork or knife.
Plastic? Kamay-kamay. Iba ka? Yummy. Iba ka? It's good to have it spicy so that you will not feel full. So kain muna kami guys at babalikan ko kayo mamaya kapag tapos na kami dito. Pakita namin yung aming mga tinidor mamaya. Bye guys!
Na yung aking pinggan. Hindi ko naubos lahat yung bread. Ayaw ko na yung bread. Meron pa akong salad. Tapos, meron pa kaming mamayang zucchini fries, sweet potato fries, and yuko fries or chips. Ayan guys. And CJ is still eating. Don't drink a lot of soft drink so that you can eat. For the first time, you did not eat good. Yeah. Me? Look at CJ. He's so very handsome. Yes. At
Part of the
saka
game.
meron guys,
They taste real good.
zucchini fries.
I think they need that is strong.
Ayan.
Strong.
Yes, and they're wearing lots of.
At sweet potato fries. Ayan. Tayo ng sweet potato fries at saka zucchini fries. This is yummy. Zucchini fries. Ayan. You want the dresser?
No.
I want to try.
Yummy. With that part, with that sauce. The ice that is so smooth. Ice. So smooth.
Do you like it? Can you try?
Daddy, for the first time I didn't eat. Taste that one.
You didn't like it?
Daddy, for the first time I didn't eat good. I didn't eat good.
Hey, less food on the plate, huh?
Yep.
This
Then
is
this one
ranch.
had sugar.
Oh,
This one had sugar, Daddy.
have sugar? I don't think it has sugar.
We have a lot of sauce already.
Mom, we're good. Put on it.
We are so dirty here. Dirty table. the football, Daddy, they pushing the referee.
So they don't break the rules.
No, they push like this. It's like they put some kiss.
If they push the referee, they get kicked out of the game.
They do like this. Ay, so.
If they hit the referee, they get kicked out of the game.
So bye for now, guys. Thank you for watching.